Are you also hurt? If you are, then please do not skip this video. This reminder is for you. Assalamu alaikum Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Welcome to the power of Tawakkul. I know your heart feels heavy right now and your mind is flooded with a single painful question. Why? Why did they leave? What did I do wrong? You gave so much of your heart only to be left with emptiness and silent tears. But take a deep breath. Stop blaming yourself. Today, let the peace of Allah enter your soul because nothing, absolutely nothing happens in your life without a perfect divine plan. When someone leaves your life, it is rarely a punishment. Most of the time, it is a hidden protection. Allah sees things about people that you cannot see. He hears conversations behind your back that you cannot hear. When Prophet Yaqub lost his beloved son, his grief was overwhelming, but he did not complain to people. As recorded in the Holy Quran in Surah Yusuf, verse 86, he said, I only complain of my suffering and my grief to Allah, and I know from Allah that which you do not know. Like him, pull your heart away from people and give your grief to Allah. He knows the pain behind their departure, and He knows the beautiful future He is shielding you for. My dear brother and sister, remember the promise in Surah Ash-Sharh, verse 5, for indeed with hardship will be ease. The hardship of their leaving is simply clearing the way for your ease. There is a beautiful spiritual reality that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us. As recorded in the hadith of Musnad Ahmad, narration number 23,074, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Verily you will never leave anything for the sake of Allah Almighty, but that Allah will replace it with something better for you. If you accept this pain with Sabr, with beautiful patience, and you say, Ya Allah, I trust your plan, Allah makes a promise to you. The space left empty in your life right now is not meant to stay empty. It is being cleared out to make room for something or someone who will bring true peace to your soul. If you're listening to this right now and you want to lock your heart into this beautiful trust, pause for a second and type Ya Allah in the comments below. Let it be a silent promise between you and your Creator that you are letting go of the pain and you are ready to accept whatever beautiful blessings He is preparing for you next. Let's make dua for one another in the comments. People are temporary, but the Creator is permanent. Sometimes Allah allows people to disappoint us or leave us so that we realize no human being can ever fully fulfill our emotional needs. They left so you could find your way back to Al-Wadud, the most loving. He is the only one who will never leave you. He is the one who stays when everyone else walks away. Turn your tears into a dua. Let them go. Trust the closure that Allah gave you. If they were meant to be in your life, no force on earth could have removed them. And since they left, know that Allah has planned a beautiful beginning for you. Trust Him, He has got you. Until next time, Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh.